How's it going, everyone? Welcome to week 6 of the course. So after this week, 2 full weeks left. So I wanted to take a minute and go over what we'll be covering this week. I just posted the checklist today. Sorry to be a day late on that. Like many of you, I'm sure as we draw to the end of the semester, schedule is getting pretty tight, especially with trying to create all of the course material, not as much for this class, but the graphics class. I know a few of you are taking that simultaneously, and we're having to redo all of that in real time. So it's pretty challenging. Our main focus this week, as you can see, whenever this checklist loads, pretty slow. I'll go to the MyLab calendar instead. If you'll notice on Sunday, the main thing that we're going to try to wrap up this week is Chapter 5. We're actually going to do the big homework, which will be due on Sunday. I'll be posting lectures which relate to that homework. We'll see when we get the checklist up that those lectures won't post until Wednesday of this week. So we're kind of going to finalize our knowledge of Chapter 5 and look at the beginning of Chapter 6. So just like we've done the last couple of weeks, I've assigned a reading assignment on Sunday for Chapter 6. I also have a very limited homework, just covering kind of some tutorial or basic exercises. The main homework that will take you the most time is actually on the meat of the material for Chapter 5. So, of course, this is not loading since we need it to load. So let's just go directly to the Excel sheet. You'll see that in terms of a timeline, you're watching the introductory video today, and as I mentioned on Wednesday, we'll have the Chapter 5 notes. I'm kind of going to do a truncated version just based upon the view count that I have for the videos that I've been posting. That just is about an hour, focusing on a couple examples of key problems that I think are important for your test. And you'll notice the remainder of that in terms of the textbook content is what I've already mentioned. We will have exam 2 next week. It will cover chapters 4, 5, and 6. So I'd like to do a discussion board just like we did last time, just to see how everyone is doing with respect to keeping up with the material and if there's anything I can do to help you with that exam. I'd expect that the exam will be a pretty similar format to what we did last time, about 4 questions, a good chunk of which we've seen before, either in the homework or in the practice exam that I'll be posting as well. And I'll try to get that up this week in case any of you would like to give it a shot over the weekend. But I realize we have a lot on our plate already with all of the assignments. So please reach out and email me if you have any questions. One thing I wanted to bring up, as you're probably aware, Alamo Colleges does have a free tuition program over the summer if you were enrolled during the spring. And if you'd like me to find out some more details for you on that, I can. But we are planning to run a dynamics course in June for those of you that may need to take that and may want to take it here. It'll go a lot smoother because I won't be teaching the course on the day I start. I'll have a little bit of ability to get ahead between when we finalize the course, our status course here in 3 weeks, and when we start the dynamics course in June. So if you'd like to take that, I'd be happy to have you. We'll also kind of ramp up the resources that we have available for that dynamics course in summer, even though it will be online. Hopefully we'll have dedicated in-person study sessions that you'd be able to come to if you would like. So good luck. Please reach out if you need anything.